Good afternoon, everybody. Chris Bradley with your Weather Geek report here on this Tuesday. We've got a lot to cover here. It's going to feel more like summer, warmer, more humid, and even the risk for some pop-up showers and storms. Beautiful today. High pressure in control means nothing but sunshine, and it looks like this nice weather will continue into the evening. So if you have plans, no weather concerns. I actually think the temperature is just delightful. We're in the upper 70s to around 80. So that's what we're looking at today. Now tomorrow, there will be the risk for a few isolated storms. I'm looking right here at the wharf. This is a higher resolution model. Not picking up a lot. Our in-house RPM model is showing a few pop-ups here, mainly after 4 or 5 p.m. It's only a 20 to 30% chance. Don't cancel your plans. The greatest likelihood for storms and even severe weather will be across northern Illinois, right around the Chicago area. Looks like some storms could break out there. Some of them may try to hold together and move into Ohio tomorrow night, but a lot of times they really don't make it this far east. They kind of fizzle out before they make it all the way to Ohio. All right, let's check out the severe weather outlook. This is today. Severe storms most likely across Oklahoma and the panhandle of Texas, where we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather back into Nebraska as well. So it's all out here to the west. This is where the severe threat will be today. Now tomorrow, this inches towards us, however, does not come quite this far east. You see general thunderstorms possible here, but the marginal and even the slight risk is well to our west. Even I mentioned the Chicago area, the severe weather risk not that great there tomorrow. So you can see here we're looking at generally a light risk of storms as you get farther off west. All right, let's move ahead and show you the temperatures. And we're still looking at some very warm weather coming our way. I've been talking about this. We mentioned this yesterday, how there were some 90s in the ensemble, and that's what we're seeing again. This is Friday. I think that'll be one of our warmer days this week, and that's when I am calling for high temperatures in the mid to perhaps upper 80s. We'll have to see. It'll depend on how many clouds we have and the coverage on rain, but right now both seem to be minimal. I think we're going to get a lot of sunshine here for the next several days. All right, so let's look at high temperatures beginning here on Wednesday. Highs are going to inch up. I think we'll probably make it up to around 82 degrees or so. The model's showing 80, 82 around Columbus. A little warmer as you head right down along the Ohio River, probably mid-80s there. As we advance to Thursday, we're starting to come up. In fact, you can see a large area of southern Ohio with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Columbus looking at a high temperature more like 83, 84 degrees, the way I see it. All right, let's take a peek at Friday. I think this is going to be one of our warmer days, and the model agrees. So right here you can see temperatures coming up. There's an 87 in Franklin County, Fairfield County about 87 degrees. You see these colors here, this is approaching 90 down along the Ohio River. So it's one of those days, if the air is dry enough, the temperature can warm up a little quicker than you think sometimes, and even warmer than the models indicate. So we'll watch for that on Friday. Let's take a peek at high temperatures for Saturday as we begin the upcoming Memorial Holiday weekend. Delightful. Big warm up. Again, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Again, storm chances in the forecast, but right now we'll go with the idea of about a 20 to 30% chance of showers and storms clear through next Tuesday. Don't cancel your plans. I'm not saying it's going to rain all the time. Best chance of storms would be with the heating of the day, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon and fizzling out once the sun goes down. Have a great evening. I'll look for you on 10 TV News at 5, 5:36, and again at 11. And don't forget to check out Weather Geek Live on Facebook at 10 p.m. sharp. I'll answer all your questions. I hope you'll join us then.